Alright, tubes. Here's an update on the Empire. Got the piston back from the machine shop. It's loose, but not excessively loose. Inside is as tight as a bullfrog's ass, but it does move, so that's good. They bored that out and made a new wrist pin. Did a nice job. Here's a connecting rod. They bored that out. Let me see if I get that in there for you. There you go. And that moves good, but there's no play this way, so did a nice job. Cost $160, but it had to be done. I got Racer 4560 over here prepping us the rest of it here, greasing it and checking the grease caps, checking the journals, cleaning them. So we're going to put that piston back in and we'll go from there. Got to put the rings back on. Got them all labeled. There's 4 of them here. We got to try and put them on without breaking them. We get over here so we get a better view. Hard part. Just try the one side at a time.
Yeah. So I was trying to start with. I can't get this one down.
There you go, you got it. You know what? It's a screwdriver. No, don't do that. Twist it. Twist it sideways. That's it. You just keep moving around. That's it. You're getting it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here you go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, 1 down, 3 to go.
Let's see what the power cable bottom on here.
That's right. That went on like I had eyes. Probably a little easier with a bigger screwdriver, but it's getting there. Got it? Here we go. Seems like a loose one, doesn't it?
Yeah, they don't seem to be loose. Close. I'll put them up like that.
Right. There you go. Yeah. Probably doesn't make a difference, but that's probably the way it was broken in. There you go. Okay. Gotta make sure that's, when we put it in, it's a couple inches away from the other one there, like right there.
More to go, too.
Yep.
Yeah, put the.
Okay, this one here holds the connecting rod in.
So, soon we'll put this down.
Turn it this way for the tubes, so the tubes can see. There you go.
Hold on, let me put it on there first, and then we'll slide it over.
Okay, good idea. There you go. Look at that. Went in like it had eyes. The only thing that holds that wrist pin in is that ring.
That's it.
There we go.
Alright, tubes.
Ready to go in.
Take your cap off.
Hmm. 5 minutes left.
Full battery. Let's make this quick. Should oil that.
Yeah, we can get oil in here. Show the tubes what they used for shims back in the day.
Oh, the old leather shim.
Yeah, the little shims here made of
Let's see
leather.
if I can get one off for him.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Look at that.
Look at that, tubes.
Just a big hunk of leather. Okay, put it back on.
Alright.
Hold up, tubes. We gotta go change our battery. Oiling us up with some synthetic oil. Mobile 1.
Alright.
But did you get the inside rod?
Yeah.
Oh, did you? Good boy. Alright, stick it in.
That's what she said.
Ah! Cut it out. You're killing me. Wow.
Tighter.
Tighter.
Tighter with oil.
Huh, makes sense.
Alright, tubes.
Put some oil behind here too. Run up through that ring sleeve.
Is that the oil ring?
I don't know where. No, that's the wrist pin ring. That probably don't mean nothing, but it's there.
So help us put it in.
Yeah, we'll the rest of them too.
Synthetic.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, tubes.
Okay. Stick it in.
Right, tubes?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Send her home.
Turn around.
Oh.
Whew. There you go.
There we go, man. We'll get lit up before we do anything else.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it, man.
Alright.
Give me some room. Back that off. Back that front off there. I'll get in there. That's what I'm talking about.
Lube it up.
Okay. Stick it in. Oh, wait, let me lube it up.
Yeah, you got